I have really failed to understand which criteria the government was using when they were giving out city status, because for sure we only have like three cities in Uganda. We have Gulu. Gulu is a very very beautiful place, very wonderful. Those guys as if they are not even in Uganda, very organized. You go to Mbarara. Mbarara is a very organized city. You go to Arua. Arua is another nice place to be. But the rest of the cities, it is just hell on earth. Go to Soroti. Soroti is a very disorganized town. These guys, what they call runabout, these guys even don't know. You move the entire Soroti, you cannot find anything called runabout. These guys don't have even just a bypass. This bypass, in their main street, they only have those buildings, the ones those Indians left those days. You go to Mbale City. Mbale City is a very disorganized city. Rubbish everywhere. I'm only seeing two streets in Mbale that are organized, but the rest very disorganized. You go to Mukono. Mukono is another different story. Go to Kampala. Ha, potholes everywhere. You go to Fort Portal, Ginger, what? Very disorganized cities. I really don't know what was in the mind of the government when they were issuing this status. Were they considering like regions or tribes or what? They wanted to place each and every tribe or each and every region. But the truth is, these places that are called cities are not worth being cities.